Hey there, welcome to our deep dive into the world of feedback. In this video, we're going to talk about why feedback is so darn important and give you some killer strategies for using it to level up both in your personal life and at work. So, what's all the fuss about feedback? Well, think of it as your secret weapon for improvement. Whether you're trying to crush it in your career or just be a better human being, feedback is like a spotlight that shines a light on what's working and what's not. And trust me, that insight is pure gold. First up, let's talk about giving feedback. You got to do it like a boss, constructive, specific, and totally actionable. None of that vague, wishy-washy stuff here. Give examples, be supportive. And remember, it's all about helping the other person grow, not tearing them down. Now, taking feedback, that's a whole other ballgame. It takes guts to hear someone tell you where you're screwing up. But hey, that's how you get better, right? So, listen up, keep an open mind, and remember, feedback is a gift, not a slap in the face. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, some rock-solid strategies for giving and receiving feedback like a pro. Be timely. Don't let feedback sit on the back burner. Serve it up while it's hot. Be specific. No beating around the bush here. Get straight to the point. Be balanced. Mix it up with some positive vibes and a dash of tough love. Be solution-oriented. Don't just point out the problems. Offer up some killer solutions too. Now, let's talk about where feedback really shines: the workplace and personal relationships. In the office, feedback is like rocket fuel for productivity and growth. And in your personal life, it's the glue that holds relationships together and helps them thrive. But hey, let's keep it real. Feedback isn't always rainbows and sunshine. Sometimes it's awkward, uncomfortable, and just plain hard to swallow. But guess what? That's all part of the journey. Embrace the discomfort, lean into the challenge, and watch yourself grow like never before. Feedback plays a crucial role in goal setting and achievement. By providing clarity and direction, feedback helps you align your actions with your objectives and track your progress over time. We'll discuss how to use feedback to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, and stay on course toward success. 360-degree feedback provides a holistic view of an individual's performance by soliciting feedback from multiple sources, including supervisors, peers, subordinates, and even external stakeholders. We'll explore the benefits and challenges of 360-degree feedback and how organizations can leverage it to enhance performance and foster professional development. So, there you have it. The lowdown on the power of feedback. Whether you're giving it, receiving it, or just trying to survive it, remember this: feedback is your ticket to greatness. So, grab it with both hands, embrace the journey, and get ready to kick some serious butt.